It is reported that WiMi Hologram Cloud, the first share of Holographic R, recently obtained 3 patents related to holographic brain-computer interface. Namely, the protective structure of holographic BCI, the angle-adjustable holographic BCI device, and the holographic brain-controlled robot system. The protective structure of the holographic BCI comprises a protective box set on the interface. The protective box is composed of 2 hemispherical shells, and the bottom side of the 2 hemispherical shells close to each other is rotated and installed. The bottom of the 2 hemispherical shells is fixed with the first support block, and the inner wall of the bottom is set with a rubber support block. The utility model patent can comprehensively shield the holographic BCI through 2 hemispherical shells to avoid dust falling. The holographic BCI of different models can be clamped stably in the 2 hemispherical shells through the first splint, the second splint, and 2 rubber support blocks. The damage risk caused by the collision between the holographic BCI and the inner wall of the 2 hemispherical shells during the carrying process is reduced, and the holographic BCI can be easily taken out and used quickly by simple rotation to meet the requirements of use. A holographic BCI device with adjustable angles comprises a BCI body and wiring socket on the body. The wiring socket is connected to the body through flexible wires. The top of the body is associated with a round socket, and the flexible wire is located in the round socket. The round socket enables users to adjust the device angles, including a rectangular groove arranged on the left inner wall of the round socket. The top of the rectangular groove is opened. The bottom inner wall of the rectangular groove is connected with a rotating shaft, and the top of the rotating shaft is fixed with a turntable. The utility model patent facilitates the quick adjustment of the upper and lower tilt angle and the wiring socket's rotation. Through this mechanism, the wiring socket can be adjusted from multiple angles according to the actual needs, thus improving the connection accuracy and meeting users' needs. The holographic brain-controlled robot system comprises the main body. The system's main body includes a robot and wearable head-mounted BCI device. The top of the wearable head-mounted BCI device is fixed and connected with a rectangular fixture block. The right side of the rectangular fixture block is provided with open slots on the front and rear sides. The top of the device is loaded with a quick load buffer retaining mechanism. The mechanism comprises an arc plate in contact with the top of the device, and an arc retaining plate is arranged above the arc plate. The utility model patent facilitates the cushioning of the top of the device, reduces the risk of impact damage to the top, facilitates the quick maintenance of the quick load buffer retaining mechanism, and meets users' needs. Brain-computer interface is a new communication and control technology established between the brain and computer or other electronic devices, which does not depend on the conventional brain information output pathway peripheral nerve and muscle tissue. BCI is one of the most active research directions in neural engineering. It is a control system that does not rely on the normal output channels of peripheral nerves and muscles of the brain. By collecting and analyzing the bioelectrical signals of the human brain, the direct communication and control channels between the human brain and the computer or other electronic equipment are established so that people can express their will or manipulate the equipment directly through the brain without the need for language. BCI technology has significant advantages in medical care and broad application prospects in education, artificial intelligence, entertainment, and other fields. According to one third-party research data, in terms of EEG or EMG alone, the market is estimated to be $2.5 billion within 5 years. The call will be worth hundreds of billions of dollars within 5 years. Regarding the number of technology areas BCI will have a profound impact on. This includes a $46 billion market of BCI feedback therapy for ADHD, $12 billion for brain detection systems, $250 billion for education technology, and $120 billion for gaming. For example, in entertainment, BCI technology also has an extensive prospect. BCI technology can be combined with virtual reality technology. Without additional peripheral control equipment, users can directly control the characters in the game by thinking and obtaining a more immersive game experience. WiMi plans to research and develop a BCI game system based on its existing VIA and holographic R technology to help players get a more authentic and immersive experience through overlaying digital content in the real world and seamlessly integrating real-world information with virtual world information, some physical information, visual information, sound, taste, touch, etc. that is difficult to experience within a specific time and space can be simulated through technologies and then perceived by humans. BCI research has a broad prospect. It helps enhance people's self-understanding and changes human life as a new way of control and communication. BCI can also be applied to the broader field of brain-computer fusion, the so-called fusion of silicon-based organisms and carbon-based organisms, to create superhuman beings and further extend the human brain. With the continuous improvement of technology and the efforts of multidisciplinary integration, BCI will be gradually applied to reality and benefit humanity.